Imagine regaining the freedom to move without pain. Today, we delve into the groundbreaking advancements in hip replacement technology that are transforming lives. Welcome to Ortho Implants for Life, your one-stop channel to learn about orthopedic implant industry. If you're looking to dive into the orthopedic implants industry or seeking valuable insights to excel as a professional in this field, you're in the right place. In today's video, we explore the innovative hip replacement technologies and how it is driving us into a new era in mobility. The evolution of hip replacement technology. Hip replacement surgeries have come a long way. With over 300,000 procedures performed annually in the US, the demand for more effective and less invasive solutions has never been higher. Traditional techniques, while effective, often involve extensive recovery times and potential complications. The rise of minimally invasive procedures. Minimally invasive hip replacement techniques are revolutionizing patient recovery. By reducing the size of incisions and preserving more of the surrounding tissue, patients experience less pain and faster rehabilitation. In some cases, individuals return to normal activities within weeks, a significant improvement over the traditional recovery period. Innovations in material science. Advancements in material science have led to the development of biocompatible materials, like advanced ceramics. These materials offer increased durability and longevity, reducing the likelihood of wear and the need for revision surgeries. Some ceramic implants now last up to 25 to 30 years, providing long-term solutions for patients. The promise of personalized implants. Personalization is at the forefront of hip replacement innovation. Utilizing 3D printing technology, surgeons can create implants tailored to an individual's unique anatomy. This customization enhances the fit and function of the implant, leading to better outcomes and higher patient satisfaction. Enhanced stability and motion. Modern implant designs aim to replicate the natural movement of the hip joint. By closely mimicking the body's biomechanics, these implants provide enhanced stability and range of motion, allowing patients to return to their daily activities with confidence. The future of hip replacement. The future holds promising developments, including biocompatible coatings that promote bone integration and regenerative medicine approaches that may one day eliminate the need for implants altogether. Ongoing research is focused on improving outcomes and expanding options for patients. Navigating the choices. A patient's perspective. Choosing the right hip replacement involves considering factors like age, activity level, and overall health. It's essential to have open discussions with healthcare providers to determine the most suitable approach. Recovery expectations should be realistic, with a focus on gradual improvement and adherence to rehabilitation protocols. The impact on healthcare. Innovative hip replacement technologies not only benefit patients, but also have a broader impact on healthcare systems. By reducing recovery times and improving implant longevity, these advancements contribute to cost savings and more efficient use of medical resources. A new era in hip replacement. We are entering a new era in hip replacement, marked by personalized care, advanced materials, and minimally invasive techniques. These innovations are enhancing patient experiences and outcomes, offering renewed hope for those suffering from hip joint issues.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.